Hi, I'm Pete. I've been plumbing for over 30 years. Two things that have always niggled me is getting chrome off chrome pipe and paint off painted copper pipe ready for soldering. I'm here to tell all you professional and DIYers, plumbing and heating engineers about this new tool coming onto the market. Cracking a little bit of kit, makes the job so much easier, really efficient, leaves the pipe perfectly circular and ready for soldering. Now, I'll just show you a piece of painted pipe, pop the tool on the end, turn it back and forward, and just slowly twist it off the end of the pipe. There we go, ready for soldering. Now the tool comes with a little rubber pad so you can hold your chrome pipe. So grip hold of your chrome pipe, tool on the end, same again, just slowly twist it off the end. Okay, ready. Now, the tool, the length it gives you, is just right for putting your push fit fittings on. Okay, so you can use them on it now. Alternatively, if you're going to use it for soldering like most of us do, just trim it down a little bit. Just so it's the right length, so there's not too much copper showing for when it pokes out of the wall or from under the floor, yeah? Okay. Now if you do use it for paint, I carry a little brush like this, little pipe brush, most of us have one of them anyway. And that'll just get any paint particles that are left in there out. Alternatively, just give it a little tap, all the bits will come out, leaving it nice and clean again, yeah? Now, as I say, the tool is very shortly coming onto the market. It's made out of a specially engineered polymer which makes it very tough, durable and very light. That's about it really. So my email address, pdlproducts LLP@gmail.com. The tool is called the Ultimate Pipe Ready. Now, as I say, it's coming onto the market very shortly, so keep your eyes out for it. Have a look on eBay, have a look on the Plumbers Merchants, give it a try. Happy plumbing!